So we're getting ready to replace the motor on this Sienna 2006. Get the wife rolling again. So what I'm about to do, the motor is locked, so I gotta take the pan down, take the rod bearings out to unlock it. So what I'm doing is I'm popping all bolts. Say what? That was gonna be a foul one there. So I got all the bolts out. You hear that in that pan? You hear that in the pan? You hear that in the pan? You hear it? They're on the porch. Okay, so I had to beat it. So let me get my hands right. Let's see the damages. See all that? Ooh. So up in there, I don't know if y'all can see that crank scarred up in there, y'all. So I'm gonna start. Got bits and pieces. Still, see that? See that, y'all? See that? See that? So, I guess the next step is to take this housing off all the way around. Yeah, man, time. I don't know who did this welding, but that is just ridiculous. They need to quit. So, motor is definitely seized. So, let's get it. The whole freaking. The whole rod is shattered. Got it jamming wedge. I don't know if y'all can see inside that one. Pull the oil stick out, please. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me give me a pointer and show y'all what it is. Okay, I'm looking for my screwdriver. See these pieces. these pieces. This piece right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right here. This wedge. You can see it being rubbing on the crane. There's another piece in the back right there. But I'm pretty sure that's right there what's got me locked. So if I can get that up out of there, I'm pretty sure the motor turned because it's wedged against the wall right here. So I'm gonna try to beat it out and I'll get back with you. Okay. Just got it unjammed. Y'all remember that piece that was stuck in there? And come to find out, look at this. This is the piston. Do y'all see that? This is literally the piston. This the one of the rings still on. Man, we ain't seen that like that before. Hold on, I got more for you. You see that? That's the roll. This is the piece I was hitting. This piece right here that I was hitting, trying to get unstuck from the crank and the engine bay. But look back there. Can y'all see that? Y'all ain't gonna tell me that ain't tear that head up. That had to tear that head up. That piston gone. So let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can get the pieces to drop. Let me see if I spin it. Can I get the pieces for y'all? It start right there. It start right there, y'all. Let's see. See that? Y'all see that? Piston. You can literally look up in there and see the bottom of the head. Y'all see that? Them the valves on the head. That spark plug is gone. It is finished. It is gone. Wow. So, yeah, that's the head right there. Look at that. Look at this right here. You know the thing that we, yeah. And I can see the bottom of that head is done. That head is done. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.